In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Steam downloads. Slow Steam downloads usually come down to two things. The server you're connected to is busy, or Steam is limiting itself with built-in throttles. We'll fix both right inside the app, and you can switch these settings back anytime. Keep your Steam client open on your desktop so you can follow along in real time. First, let's change your download region. Open the Steam desktop app and go to the top left corner. Click the Steam menu, then choose Settings. In the left sidebar, select Downloads. You'll see a setting called Download Region with a drop-down list of servers. Steam tries to pick automatically, but if the default server near you is crowded, your speed can tank. Open that list and pick a nearby but different location. Ideally, a city close to you or a neighboring region in the same country or a nearby country if that's the closest alternative. After selecting a new region, confirm the change. If you're already downloading, pause the download for a second and resume it to refresh the connection. Watch the speed meter for a moment. Improvements often show up instantly when you move off a congested server. If your speed doesn't improve, try another nearby server. It's perfectly fine to test a couple. You're just looking for a fast, stable route. Once you find a good one, you can leave it there and later switch back to automatic or your usual region if you prefer. Next, remove any speed limits inside Steam. You're still in Settings under Downloads. Look for the options labeled Limit Download Speed and Throttle Downloads while streaming. Turn both of these off. The first one places a hard cap on how fast Steam can download, which can accidentally be left on from a previous session. The second one slows things down whenever you're watching videos or streaming, even in another app, to avoid network congestion. With these disabled, Steam can use your full available bandwidth for the download. Keep in mind, if you share your internet connection with others or need to multitask, you can re-enable these limits later. For now, turning them off ensures you're testing the true maximum speed Steam can reach from your connection and chosen server. That's it. Change to a nearby alternative server and make sure Steam isn't throttling itself. These two quick checks solve most slow download issues. Let your download run for a minute and see the difference, and feel free to revert any changes once you're done. Happy downloading!